Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to give you an overview of how I gave life to some of my old clothes, or in other words you can say how I refashioned some of my clothes. So starting off with the outfit I'm wearing right now. This print on my t-shirt you're watching, you can either draw or make a digital design and get it printed on your t-shirts. It's a really cheap and fun way to customize your old t-shirt. There is another advantage of this technique that you can start off your t-shirt brand with customized prints on it. So, and now these ripped jeans. It was a slim fit jeans. Just like this one. What you're gonna do is wear it inside out. Mark some areas where like the fit you want, and on the knees and the ankle area. So I'm using this crayon to do some rough markings. The other one I was wearing, it was super skinny, but I'm not gonna tighten it so much because it's not very elastic. So if I give it a super skinny fit, I won't be able to put it on then. You can just mark one leg, and then for the other one you can take references from the one you marked. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stitch it for the tightening and cut it on the points, knees and ankle. So guys, it's done. I have just tighten it from the outside and rip the knees in from the bottom. So as you can see, it looks pretty cool now. Honestly speaking, it took me only 15 minutes to do it, and you can also do it. If it doesn't take you 15 minutes, it will take you half an hour, not like that. It will become even better after a wash or two, as the threads will all come out and it will have a more rack appearance. Guys, I'm wearing this shirt so that you can turn your boring polo shirts into some festive wear.
Just pants,
and your old pair of jeans into shorts. And you don't even have to do the hem, as this looks better this way and it's rough. So let's move on to the next one. So guys, here I have a pair of night trousers. And you can do what I did with them and work them into trousers. So as you can see, the size is pretty big, so I had plenty of extra fabric for the belt and those sleeves and pockets. So you can do this as well with your night trousers. I know most of you do not know how to stitch and cut patterns, so just take it to the tailor and he'll do the rest for you. So guys, I hope you like it. So this is another shirt that I made. This was its original color, but when I made it, it turned out pretty boring. It had nothing special in it. I just took it to the dyer and told him to dip it to the same color but with 2 or 3 shades darker. So it turned out with this gradient effect. I think you can do it at home with the bleach or a dark colored shirt if you want to lighten it and have a gradient effect. Although I have not tried it at home, but I guess I will do it maybe in the next video, or whenever I do I'll show you it. Yeah, one thing that I forgot about the previous look, the ones in which I converted night trousers to suit trousers. So go for a fabric that's a bit thicker and is stiff enough to hold the shapes you can. Yeah, I use that spray starch on it to make it even stiffer, and that really works. You can use that too. So guys, this changing clothes thing is really tiring, so I'm gonna just finalize the video with this final look. So in this look, I have made the shirt out of tablecloth. Actually, only this printed area was out of the tablecloth. It was pretty small, so while turning it into a shirt, I realized that fabric is not enough to be made a shirt. So what I did was I bought some similar colored fabric with the same feel and texture and just made it into a shirt. As you can see, the back is plain and there's print only on the front, but it turned out pretty well. So guys, I hope you liked today's video. Do tell me in the comments if you want me to do any more videos of any kind. So stay tuned. Thank you.